In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Instacart shopper support, a handy guide for all the shoppers out there navigating through the platform. Whether you're facing an issue or simply need some questions answered, getting in touch with support is a straightforward process. Let's dive right into it. To start off, head over to the Instacart homepage. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing in www.instacart.com. Once the page has loaded, draw your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. There you'll notice three horizontal lines, often referred to as the menu or hamburger icon. Go ahead and give that a click. This will open up a list of additional options, helping you navigate more efficiently through the site. As you scroll down towards the bottom of this menu, you'll find the option labeled Help Center. Click this link to proceed. The Help Center is a central hub packed with resources designed to assist you with a wide range of queries and issues. But today we're focusing specifically on how to get in touch with someone directly. The next step involves connecting with Instacart. And to do this, you need to click on Connect with Instacart. This will direct you to the section where various support options are provided. If you prefer a quick exchange for resolving your concern, the chat option is quite effective, so go ahead and click on Chat. Once you've clicked on Chat, a chat window will pop up, often at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here's where you can communicate your concern or question. Click on Enter your message within the chat box and start typing what you need help with. Whether it's a question about an order, a potential refund, or an issue with your account, providing a detailed description can help the support team assist you more efficiently. It's always useful to have any relevant order numbers or details on hand to speed up the process. When you're ready, hit send, and a representative will join the chat shortly to assist you. And that's it. You're now connected with Instacart shopper support, and help is just a message away. This simple step-by-step process ensures that any obstacle you face doesn't stop your progress. Use this method anytime you find yourself needing clarity or assistance from Instacart. Stay patient, be thorough in explaining your concern, and you'll find the help you need right at your fingertips. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope this guide makes your experience with Instacart smoother and more enjoyable. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. See you next time.